Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please do revise the formulas for a minute.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, tell me. Someone was calling you. Who's that? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Just a minute. Please revise it. Yes. Yes, children. So till what we have discussed, tell me. Till what we have discussed.
Sir, question papers.
Huh? Till what we have discussed.
sir, in previous class we discussed question paper, sir.
Okay. Good. So we were in differentiation, right? Chalo. One second. Let me open the notes. What we have discussed till. I just gave one question as a homework. How many have you done that? I gave one question as homework. Hmm? How many have you done? I need a response from everyone. I need a response. How many have you done this? Can you please see the screen here? No. Yes, look at this. How many of you done with this homework? How many of you solved this? Come on. Tell me, fatapat, fatapat. How many have you done this, guys? How to solve this? U by V, quotient rule. Quotient rule. This is my U function, this is my V function, isn't it? What was my dy by dx? D by dx of U by V. What was that? D by dx of U into V. minus d by dx of v into v u divided by v square. So look at this now. First you just do that accordingly. D by dx of u means x square plus 4 into v means x into log x plus 5. Okay, minus d by dx of x into log x plus 5 into u is what here, x square plus 4 into this one divided by x log x plus 5 whole square. ఇదే కదా చేయాల్సింది. This is what you have to do. Look at this now. So d by dx of x square plus 4 how much? 2x. d by dx of x square how much? 2x. d by dx of 4 how much? 0. So simply let me write 2x into x log x as it is plus 5 as it is minus d by dx of this one how much? d by dx of x into log x అంటే మళ్ళీ uv rule అవునా కదా? d by dx of constant, however it is going to be constant, leave it. I'm just talking about d by dx of this one how much? d by dx of x into log x uv again. Guys, d by dx I'm writing side here. d by dx of x into log x is how much? This is u function, this is v function. Okay, so u function, v function. So d by dx of u and v, right? So d by dx of u means 1 into log x plus d by dx of log x means 1 by x into u. X will be given, so log x 1. So d by dx of x into log x is what? Log x plus 1. So minus d by dx of x into log x how much? Log x plus 1 I got, plus d by dx of 5 how much? 0 only. So let us write as it is. Clear? So x into log x plus 5 whole square. Clear? Any doubts here? This is my answer now. Can I do anything after this? I can't do anything. Let it be. So I want to expand this. Yes, if you want to expand, you can expand. Any doubt, guys? Here, tell me. Any doubts, guys? D by dx of this one is what? D by dx of x square is 2x. D by dx of 4 is what? 0 here. Plus 0 if you write, even you don't write, that doesn't make a sense. So this part as it is, I'm writing. Look at this here. Right? D by dx of x into log x is how much? Log x plus 1. How? How? Look at this here. D by dx of x is what? D by dx of x into log x plus log x into plus d by dx of log x into x. So d by dx of x and 1, d by dx of x means 1 here. Look at this. Let me just create some space here. D by dx of x is 1 here. Log x is as it is. D by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. X as it is. Clear? Any doubts? X will be getting cancelled. So log x plus 1 I remain with here. So that's what the reason I'm writing here. D by dx of x into log x means log x plus 1. And this part as it is I'm writing. Denominator as it is. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts here? See, you should understand by this time. You know, any doubts here? Tell me, make it fast. Yes or no? Guys, any doubt? Next question. Shall we go for the next question? Shall we go for the next question or not?
Yes, sir.
So question is x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. Make it fast. Tell me the answer. Quick, 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 quick. Time up. Time up. Look at this is you here. This is V here. Quotient rule. Tell me here. Anjali, tell me. Anjali ji. Anjali, are you here? Done, 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 done. Anjali, are you here?
Sir, can I say the formula, sir?
Yes, you tell me the answer.
Sir, answer or formula, sir?
Answer and procedure. Procedure, you tell me, then answer. Can you think? Tell me that answer. Are you here, Avinaya? You told that I'm going to tell the answer, but you still didn't get the answer.
Sir, is it x secant square x plus tan x minus x?
No, 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 no. Wrong answer. What about others? Disha, tell me Disha answer. What is the answer? Pravalika, what is the answer? Abhinay, Abhishek,
Sir, I'm still solving it.
Disha, tell me what is that?
Sir, I'm still solving it.
Still solving it? What about Abrud, Arvind? I need answer. How long will you solve? After solving many questions, you must tell me the answer. You should not take this much time. Tell me, Arey, how long? Amrut, Amrut, I need an answer from you. Tell me answer.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Amrut, tell me.
Sir, sir,
Tell me.
sir, x secant cube x plus secant x into
No.
tan x minus x tan square x into secant x plus tan square x by secant x tan x whole square.
Wrong answer.
Sir, sir, sir,
Yes.
sir, sin x by 1 plus sin x plus x cos x by 1 by sin x whole square. Sir.
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
Sin x by 1 plus sin x plus x cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square.
1 plus sin x whole square is okay. Numerator.
X cos x.
Okay. X cos x, okay. Tell me right answer.
That's all, sir. I told the final answer which I got.
X cos x plus.
Sir, final
I-
answer I got it as sin x by 1 plus sin x, sir.
Okay.
Then plus x cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square.
Okay.
Is it correct, sir? or not?
X cos x plus sin square x by 1 plus sin square x is correct.
Yes, sir.
Guys, tell me what Prabalika, I asked you for the answer. You are not responding.
Sir, actually, I'm solving, sir. I'm
Look at this यार. अरे simple है भाई. कितना it's not that much. It's not that much complicated, isn't it? Look at this. How can you solve this? U. Divide x of u first into v as it is minus minus d by dx of into x into tan x divided by whole square. Clear? Tell me, clear or not? So x into tan x. Again, I have to apply uv rule here. U into v. So d by dx of u1 into tan x plus d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x into x into secant x plus tan x minus d by dx of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x into d by dx of tan x is what? Plus secant square x into x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x whole square. If you split, what do you get? If you split, what do you get? Hello, what do you get? Tell me. Look at this now. Huh. What he has given. Now just cancel it. Cancel it. How can I do that? After this, very simple. You must solve it, guys. अरे भाई split करो बस. Look at it. Tan x plus secant square x, x into secant square x. So secant x plus tan x whole divided by secant x plus tan x whole square minus secant x into tan x plus secant square x into x into tan x divided by secant x plus tan x whole square. So one time will be getting cancelled. What do you remain with now? Tan x plus x into secant square x by secant x plus tan x. This is what you remain with minus secant x into tan x. Tell me here, how can I do after this? Simply look at this here. X into tan x I have, right? X into tan x can be written as what? X into tan x, sin x by cos x. Yes or no? Are you people, or else you can just leave as it is here? Yes or no? And guys, because what is the question given? Question given is what? This is my y function. Array simple hai, y. Because this is my y. So x by x tan x, x into tan x by secant x plus tan x. So can I split like this now? Secant x into tan x plus secant square x divided by secant x plus tan x into x tan x divided by secant x tan x square, tan x simply. So this part can be written as what? Y here, isn't it? Y given y, no, given function y. If you simplify this, what do you get? Simplify that. Simplify that. X tan x. I'm simplifying this, guys. I'm simplifying this alone now. Let it be as it is. This part as it is, let it be, no problem. I'm simplifying x into tan x. X into tan x means sin x by cos x whole divided by secant x can be written as 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. So x into sin x by 1 plus sin x. This cos x will be getting cancelled here. So x sin x by, this is what I remain with here. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts or not? Do you guys have any doubts here?
doubts, sir.
Huh?
No, sir, no doubts.
Yes. So simply you just write that. That is your answer is going to be. Now, similarly, everything is going to be similar here. Just write somewhere here. Same answer and into x sin x by 1 plus sin x. This is what your answer is going to be. And if you simplify further, guys, look at this here. If I simplify what I got here, if you simplify this, what do you get? Secant x plus tan x, how much? 1 by cos x plus sin by cos x. Sin 1 plus sin x by cos x. Isn't it? That's what I got here. Everywhere same thing I'll get. If we simplify this, take a LCM. So x cos x plus sin x plus x cos x sin x plus sin square x minus x cos x into sin x divided by only simplification da only simplification. So look at this here. If you are not understanding all this stuff, if you are not understanding like look all this stuff, guys, look at this here. If you are not understanding all this stuff, look at this here. You can simply leave the answer here itself. Let me tell you where to stop the answer, and we can do in two methods actually. We can do in two methods. What is that method is all about? Just remove all this. Look at this. So you can simply stop the answer writing here itself because this is your final answer. You can just stop here itself. You can stop here itself. This is your answer. You can look at if you want to further simplify, you can simplify, or else guys look at this here. Instead of doing u by v method, instead of doing this is my y function, right? He has given a function called y. He's asking us to find dy by dx. So now let me simplify this. If I simplify what I get, I'm simplifying simply. Let us simplify the function, then go for the differentiation. So x sin x divided by cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin x by cos x. Cos x will be getting cancelled. X sin x by 1 plus sin x. Just now you simplify this. Now you simplify this. This is u function, this is v function. Find the derivative of this. I just simplified a given function as this one. If I simplify, so I got this one. Now you just apply UV rule, u by v rule. What is the given function? Or else you can just do that is also correct. And if you don't want to do, that, remove that. Now you solve this u by v rule, right? U into v dash, sorry, d by dx of this one into 1 plus sin x minus d by dx of 1 plus sin x into x into sin x whole divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, so look at x into sin x, how much? U divided x of u into sin x plus cos x into x into 1 plus sin x. UV rule, product rule applied. D by x of 1 is 0, d by x of sin x is cos x into sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. So what is the answer now? Simplify this. So into cos x, or else you just multiply this into this one. 1 into sin x, almost sin x only, no? Can I simply write sin x here? Sin x. So now sin x into 1, sin x. Sin x into sin x, sin x square, sin square x. Cos x into 1, x into cos x only, plus x into cos x, x into cos x into sin x, minus here x into cos x into sin x. Look at this. Here x into cos x sin x, x into cos x sin x will be getting cancelled. Denominator, what you remain with? This is the answer. Approximately sin x plus sin square x plus x cos x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. This is an answer. This is my final answer. Clear? This is dy by dx. Simple. What I have done, I just simplified the given question. Then further, I just differentiated it. Clear? Any doubts?
Sir, I got a different answer.
What answer you got?
Like in the denominator, it is secant x plus tan x, and numerator it is x into secant square x plus tan x minus x into tan x into secant x.
Did you know simplified the given function, then differentiated, or straight away you differentiated?
Sir, I did it directly.
That is also correct. No problem. कोई problem नहीं है. ऐसा करेंगे तो थोड़ा simple होगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
What about others? चलो next question. One second. If y is equal to e power of x square into sin 2x, then what is dy by dx at x is equal to pi? First you find dy by dx. I need answer within a minute. Take your time. Come on, make it fast. Takatak, takatak. You people are not solving the questions at home. I need answer from everyone. Come on, make it fast. What happened? Come on. I need answer, quickest answer. Takatak, takatak, takatak. What happened, Re Baba? Look at this. This is U, this is V here. Clear? This is U, this is V, isn't it? Arey, very simple, beta. Dekho. How can I solve this? I'm just gonna find first dy by dx. So dy by dx, d by dx of e power of x square into sine 2x plus d by dx of sine 2x into e power of x square. D by dx of e power of x is what? E power of x only. Into, it is not a standard function. Again, d by dx of x square, inner function, into sine 2x as it is. Plus d by dx of sine 2x is what? Cos 2x. Into, it is not a standard function. Again, d by dx of 2x. Into e power of x square as it is. So e power of x square as it is. D by dx of x square is what? 2x into sine 2x plus cos 2x divided of 2x is 2 into e power of x square. Alright, समझ में? So this is my dy by dx. dy by dx at x is equal pi given. At x is equal pi given. Wherever I have x value, I need to substitute pi here. So pi whole square. Pi whole square, how much? Here I have 2 pi whole square into 2 pi sine 2 into pi plus cos 2 into pi 2 into e power of pi whole square. देखो sin 2 पाई तेरा पाई मेरा पाई सबका पाई 0 होता है. ठीक है, sin 2 pi is always 0, sin n pi is always 0 basically. Whatever the n value you substitute to sin 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi तेरा पाई मेरा पाई उसका पाई दादा का पाई दादी का पाई सभी का 0 होता है. ठीक है, तो इधर क्या होता है, ये 0 हो जाएगा. तो 0 इंटू समथिंग 0 नो. तो cos पाई कितना, cos पाई हाउ मच, cos 2 pi, cos 2 pi how much, cos 360 degrees always 1. So 1 into 2 into e power of pi square. तो आंसर क्या बचेगा, 2e pi. This is my answer. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next, I'm going to give a note now. Note, everyone take a note. D by dx of e power of ln x is always x only. Remember this. D by dx of e power of ln x means e power of log x will be always x only. Always, or not x, 1. Always 1, not x. Now let me give a question based upon this. So what is the derivative of the function f of x is equal to e power of tan x. Let me write here. E power of tan x ln of secant x minus e power of ln x at x is equal to pi by 4. Find the derivative of this. I need a quickest answer. So what is the derivative of the function? This one at x is equal to pi by 4. JEE questions. Make it fast. What happened? Array, guys, you are making me to solve every question. You people are not solving anything. Look at this. What is the derivative of this? First, you have to find the derivative of this. पहला क्या होता है? Find the derivative means finding differentiation of the given function. F of x given. So means derivative. What is f dash of x? F of x derivative is f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but derivative of that particular function. That's how I denote that. So look at this here. So first differentiation of this one. First I have to how I need to write. How I need to write d by dx of e power of tan x plus d by dx of ln of secant x minus d by dx of individually I'm applying, right? देखो d by dx of e power of tan x क्या होता है? d by dx of e power of x is e power of x only into inner function. स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन नहीं है तो d by dx of tan x फिर से करना पड़ेगा प्लस d by dx of log x means 1 by x into inner function. कौन सा inner function? secant वाला. ठीक है, clear? Minus d by dx of e power of ln x is what I told you, always 1. Just now I told, look at this here, 1. E power of ln x, d by dx of e power of ln x is always 1. So e power of tan x, d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x plus 1 by secant x into d by dx of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x minus 1 as it is. So this is my f dash of x. What he is asking us to find? At x is equal to pi by 4. Substitute pi by 4 now. So f dash of x at x is equal to pi by 4 is nothing but e power of tan pi by 4. So into secant square pi by 4 plus 1 by secant pi by 4 into secant pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 minus 1. Okay. So look at this. E power of tan pi by 4 how much? Tan pi by 4 how much? 1. Array, respond yaar. It is not good actually. Secant pi by 4 how much? Root 2. Secant square pi by 4 means what? Root 2 whole square. Square root will be getting cancelled. I'll be remaining with 2 plus 1 by secant power of secant pi by 4 how much? 1 by root 2 into secant pi by 4 again root 2 into tan pi by 4 1 minus 1 देखो ये 2e प्लस रेसिप्रोकल √2 into √2 into 1 minus 1. So what I remain with the 2e √2 into √2 into 1 minus 1. So 2e minus 1 plus 1 is answer. Clear? 2e plus 1 huh? No, any mistake, calculation mistake we made here? अरे देखो भाई ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना इधर. No, instead of doing all that stuff here 1 by not 1 by √2 guys, simply √2. ठीक है, we made mistake here which is √2 here simply. Secant pi by 4 is √2. √2 will be getting cancelled. √2 will be getting cancelled. What I remain with here 1 minus 1 0. So 2e is my simple answer. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts here? Children, are you understanding here what I am trying to say? Children, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
Yes.
Any doubts? Arvind, can you please explain me why I wrote this stuff? Arvind, can you please explain me why I wrote this stuff? Let me highlight that stuff. Why I wrote this stuff? How I got this from this? Tell me. Tell me.
So you differentiate it, sir. You just got
Don't tell me simple
difference.
difference. You differentiated. That. I know
Multiplied it, sir. D by
Huh?
dx is common, right? You multiplied it, sir.
that. Multiplied, okay.
That's it,
What you?
sir.
Enna multiplied, Tambi? Why do we need to
Sir,
multiply?
e by tan x is there, no, sir. E power tan x.
Why we are writing e power of tan x only into d by dx of again? Why we are writing tan x here? Why we are writing e power of tan x is e power of tan x only. D by dx of any function. Look at this here. What I told you, d by dx of e power of x on is equal to e power of x only. Why do we need to write this stuff?
Power of x. E by
D by dx of ln x is 1 by x. Okay, fine. Why do we need to write this stuff? Pravalika, tell me. What is the reason behind this?
Sir, because we need to differentiate sec x also.
Because we need to differentiate secant x also na. Huh?
Sir, because
Hey.
it's not differentiated.
It is not differentiated. No. Because it is not a standard function, beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am telling.
Is log x అనేది standard function. Ln
Yes, sir.
secant x is not standard function. అందుకే
Yes, sir.
that is the reason I'm differentiating inner function as well.
Yes, sir.
Tell me after this what I have done. D by dx of tan x ఏంటిది? D by dx of tan x ఏంటిది? Pravalika.
Sec square x.
D by dx of secant x ఏంటిది?
Sec x into tan x.
Okay. So this is what you must know. This is what our differentiation. I think we have done with the differentiation. We have discussed each and every corner of the differentiation. Now it is your duty to solve many questions from your side. All right. Now it is your turn to solve the differentiation questions. I hope it is clear with everyone. आपको आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
We have done each and every. Tomorrow I'm going to ask each and everything. What is chain rule? What is product rule? What are the properties? I mean, what are the different rules of differentiation we have learned? Okay. So what are the what are the problems we have learned? I mean, problems means how do we need to solve the problems? Why do we need to apply chain rule? What is formula for quotient rule? What is the formula for chain rule? Where do we need to apply the chain rule, quotient rule? I'll be giving a simple questions. You will be in a position to solve all those questions. Okay. ठीक है, आया समझ में? कोई doubt? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubts, children? So with this we have finished our differentiation, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to start with a new chapter, but don't worry that don't think that Sir is not going to ask the questions. Definitely I'm going to ask the questions, children. So don't think that I'm not going to ask any questions. Definitely I'll ask the question without any doubt. I'll ask. So everyone must be in a position to tell the answers. Okay?
Sir, tomorrow Friday, right? Sir, tomorrow also max class.
Or in this is next class.
Sorry, sir, I was unable to hear it.
Okay? Clear? Please revise it and come for the next class. Thank you. We can leave the session now.